there, and welcome back to Backyard Birds Weekly, where we have officially made it exactly 1 week since the last update. Yay! So we're doing things a little bit different again today, mostly because I was not able, for the life of me, to get a vlog portion done today. I just was not right outside. But that's okay. We're going to go ahead and try doing it in voiceover. We'll see how it goes. So I just set up my camera on a tripod, just focused in on the feeder. This is a majority of the time, spent watching these birds. It's basically this, and it's nice. We've got a pretty good spread going here right now. Looks like we got a female cardinal. Well, there she goes. Some house finches and some golden finches. A couple of those might be some pine siskins, but I haven't seen them in a little bit, so I doubt that it is. And yeah, we'll just sit here and enjoy this for a little bit, and then we'll do our poem, and then we'll go to the slideshow. Sounds pretty okay, right? I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Today's poem is by David Whyte, and it's called Enough. Enough. These few words are enough. If not these words, this breath. If not this breath, this sitting here. This opening to the life we have refused again and again. Until now. Until now. And that was Enough by David Whyte. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great day, week. I hope you guys take some time to go outside and look at some birds or whatever else you enjoy. And I'll talk to you later. In the meantime, let's take a look at those birds. That's all. Well, of course not. There's a lot more to that. I cannot keep this camera straight. And there we go.